All right, we are now on section 2, questions 4 to 6. This will start at the bottom of page 294 and continue on to the top of page 295. So let's take a look at this. It says, write each expression in expanded form in group-like terms. Then write the expression as a product of powers. The first one's been done for us. It says 2x to the fourth power. So they did 2x times 2x times 2x times 2x. Now remember, it says now, after you've expanded it, group your like terms. Well, I can still break this apart because 2x means 2 times x. So we got 2, 2, 2, 2, x, 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 x. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 twos, and 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Let's take a look at this next one. -4 to the times a to the third power. So we're going to do -4a times -4a times -4a. Then here we're going to do, sorry, going to break these apart. -4 times -4 times -4. Then we're going to do a. How many -4s do I have? 3. When you write this, you might want to put this in parentheses. They're a little tricky with those negatives. And how many a's do we have? Also 3. So -4 to the third power times, or a to the third power. Let's take a look at the last line here. X cubed y squared to the fourth power. So we're going to start breaking this down. X cubed y squared, that's 1. X cubed y2, that's 2. X cubed y2, that's 3. X cubed y squared, that's 4. Now group our like terms. X cubed, x cubed, x cubed, x cubed. Did that one, that one, that one, and that one. Now we've got the y squares. Y square, y square, y square, y squared. Still not done, because now x is to the third power. So we got x, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 1, 2, 3. Those are just my x's, right? Still got to work on these y's. So we got y squared, so that's y, 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 y. Okay, let's count them all up. Now I got an x and a y in there. I just got to find their exponents, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's take a look at something. What are my exponents over here? We have the 4, obviously, right? But on the inside of the parentheses, each one of these have this like imaginary 1s, right? So 1s and 4, and another 1 and 4. because there were two sets of 1s in the parentheses and a 4 on the outside. And here we had 4 and 4. We can say that this is talking about the 2, and this is talking about the x. Right? Here, let's take a look at this. My 4 had an exponent of 1, right? My a had an exponent of 1. So, the negative 4 has an exponent of 1, and on the outside, there's a 3. The a has an exponent of 1, and on the outside, outside of the parentheses, is a 3. Notice how both the 4 and the a now have an exponent of 3. Let's take a look at this last one. If I'm talking about the x has an exponent of 3, and then the 3 on the outside. Nope, sorry, 4 on the outside. And we have y. The y has an exponent of 2, and again, that 4 still on the outside. Over here, the x had an exponent of 12, and the y had an exponent of 8. How did we get from these numbers over here to these exponents over here? All right, let's go back down. Based on the pattern you observed in item 4, write the missing exponents in the boxes below to complete the power of a product property. If a, b to the m power, this is going to be m, this is also going to be m. They both get that power. Remember, if it's power times a power, you multiply it, right? So we have c to the 1/2, and we're going to multiply it by our exponent on the outside, 8. Then we've got d to the 1/4 times 8. Well, we can rewrite this as c to the 1/2 times 8 over 1. This is going to be d to the 1/4 times 8 over 1. So we got c, 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Here we have d. We got 1 times 8 is 8. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now we can simplify these some more. What is 8 divided by 2? Almost let it slip. 4. What is the exponent for d? We have 8 divided by 4. That's 2. Make sure you get this all written down, and we'll move on to our next section.